In the recent version, Affinity has introduced new studio modes in their new version 3, where the studio are Vector Studio, Pixel Studio, and Layout Studio. The Vector Studio is similar to Adobe Illustrator. The Pixel is similar to Adobe Photoshop, and the Layout Studio is similar to Adobe InDesign. In this video, we'll look into how we can customize these studio as per our preference. Let me select Pixel Studio for this video and right click on the pixels and navigate to Edit Pixel Studio. After clicking on Edit Pixel Studio, we can clearly see a box that is popped up. We can change the color of the icon, give it a text. So in this case, I'll type in Photoshop. Since I'm going to change the pixel, and then I'll change the icon to any color like green, blue, or I can also pick any custom color from this box. However, in our case, I'll bring an icon from the external folder and I'll drag and drop the Photoshop icon right here to make the icon more relevant to our studio, which is Photoshop. So we can also select a studio icon which is below here, and Affinity has provided tons of presets for studio icon. After I'm satisfied with my current studio settings, I'll navigate down and click on update. Now you can see that Affinity has updated the icon to Photoshop icon. However, the text is still pixels. In order to fix this, what we do is, let's restart the Affinity. Let's go ahead and quit Affinity. And after it is quit, let's reopen Affinity. Now Affinity has been opened. Let's press any new document. And after restarting Affinity, now you can see that our studio has been customized and is set to Photoshop with the Photoshop icon and Photoshop text. Now you can similarly customize the other icons like Vector, which is the Vector Studio, to Illustrator, and Layout Studio to Adobe InDesign by changing their icon as well as the text. So I hope this video helped you on how to customize studios as per your preference. And if you find this video helpful, please press the like button. And in order to get new updates on tips and tricks about Affinity, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.